Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make a super simple plant-based barbecue meal prep.
So let's get started. To start, we're going to marinate the tofu. Wrap it up in some paper towel and lightly press to get some of the water out. Of course, tofu is optional. You could use any other vegetable that you like. So then we're just going to cut our tofus into thirds. We're just going to make big steaks.
Tofu steak.
Tofu steaks, just like this.
Just want to make sure you don't cut them too thin or else they'll fall apart on the grill.
Yeah, this way they're not going to break. They're going to break on the grill. They're going to be thick enough.
A few moments later.
So you just broke one.
Now I'm just going to lay them into a pan or a tray so I can marinate them. We're going to drizzle it with a bit of olive oil. Then we're going to add some balsamic vinegar. Beautiful. And then we're going to add some spicy brown mustard. A little bit on each. And rub it everywhere. Rub it all over. And give them a flip.
For all of the veggies and the tofu for today's video, we're going to be using the same marinade made up of balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and mustard. And as you guys already know, we love Sir Kensington's condiments, so we're going to be using their spicy brown mustard today. Fun fact, last year at the worldwide mustard competition, they took gold. First of all, I had no idea there was a worldwide mustard competition, but second of all, that's pretty impressive. So you guys should definitely go check out this mustard and give it a shot. Since the potatoes are going to take the longest time on the grill, we're going to put these up on the grill first. Now you could use sweet potatoes if you'd like, but today we're just going to use some white potatoes. So we're going to take a fork, and we're just going to stab it a few times around. Give it a good stab. Make sure you don't stab your hand. I've done that. Anyway, you're just going to stab the potatoes around, and after you stab them all, these are washed of course, you're going to take some tin foil and wrap them up. Set it aside, and then we're going to put it on the grill. You can also do it like this if you don't feel comfortable holding it in your hands.
Now it's time to throw another shrimp on the barbie, mate.
Shrimp on the barbie.
Time to fire up the barbecue, so you're just going to turn it on high.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's off.
Always make sure your grill is turned on.
Hey,
right.
there you go.
Opa.
So we get it cranking. We're going to put the whole thing on high. These can go right at the back. They're going to take the longest to cook. Probably about a good 30 minutes at the back there. Then we'll put it back on high. And we will close the lid.
Ooh.
And for the marinade, we're going to do 2 parts olive oil, 2 parts balsamic vinegar to 1 part mustard. 1/4 cup of olive oil, which is 4 tablespoons. 1/4 cup balsamic.
Balsamic.
And 2 tablespoons of mustard. Spicy brown to Kensington mustard. And my whisk, I'm going to mix it all up. Comes together really quick. And then we're going to toss all our vegetables into that. Everyone's going to get half a zucchini each. So we're going to top it. We're going to tail it. We're going to cut it in half long ways. And then half in the middle. And that'll be 1 serving is like that. It's also really good to go this way because you have a big surface area for the grill, so you can get good char marks and it won't fall through. Straight into the marinade. Give it a toss. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Lovely.
Beautiful. Now it's all coated. Place the zucchini on the grill. We're going to place it long ways. Like this, so you get those char marks.
Spicy.
Beautiful. While the zucchini's in the grill, we're going to cut out the peppers. Take off the top. And the tail. And we're going to run enough through here. Beautiful. Get rid of the core. And we're going to chop it in half. Boom. Very good. Each container will get half a pepper. Pop the pepper into the marinade. Or the capsicum.
Pepper.
Capsicum.
Peppers.
Give it a toss. Oh yeah.
Or you can use your hands if you're not comfortable flipping in a bowl.
You got it. We'll have a little look-see at your zucchinis. Almost ready.
Not ready yet.
So when you come to turn them, just turn it down to low so you don't burn your hands.
Don't singe any hairs.
Yeah, that one's good. So ones at the back are going to be ready first. So rotate. We'll try and move the ones from the back up to the front. Ones from the front up to the back. Hey, look at that, beautiful.
Ooh.
Now for our peppers, we're gonna pop them on skin side down.
Okay.
You also just tap off any excess marinade and pop it on. Then get back on high. Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Now for the eggplant, you got 2 small ones. You can use one big one if you like. We're just gonna top. Get rid of that. So one. You'll make them like steak sizes. Something like that. Beautiful. And get into the marinade. This one you can just do it by hand.
Where you going?
Over here. So, actually no, come back, sorry.
Ay, 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 ay.
So I'll pop them in like that for now. Just push them in there. And then I'll come back to them in a second. We'll go flip the zucchinis. See, beautiful. Get some nice char. Now I'm going to move them down to the front and turn them over. Well, that one's a little black, that one. A little black, that one.
It's okay, I like it like that.
Nice char. There you go.
Obviously cook them to your desired charm-markness.
Right.
Seriously, is there anything better than grilling in the summertime? Summertime.
Again, keep it on about medium. If they are getting a little too
Charry.
dark, yeah, too charry. These ones I'm going to move up here.
Okay.
Eggplant, we're going to give a bit of a rub. Throw it on the grill. Yeah. Toss in the marinade. The peppers and zucchini are done. So what I can do is I can grab these and I can pop them up the top. Peppers I can do the same as well. Give a spud to the back a turn. Flip them over. Once the eggplant's done, just take it up, put it up top. All that's left is the tofu.
Tofu.
So there's a little bit of the marinade left. I'm just gonna get it onto my tofu. Beautiful, beautiful. So when you're cooking the tofu, it's gonna be in your best interest to have some sort of flat spatula. So you can flip it, because if you use the tongs, you might crush it, so just be very careful. Here we go.
This is why you gotta make sure you cut them thick.
Yep.
And I jinxed Adam because he just broke one.
Just as you said it, she jinxed me. Like literally. I'm gonna try and save this. I'm gonna save this.
Okay. Use that marinade.
Oh yeah. Of course, if you had a brush, you use a brush.
We're not fancy. We don't have a brush for the grill.
You haven't got any fancy yet.
Still make delicious food, so there you go. Right?
Delicious.
Oh yeah.
And you lick your fingers because there's no
meat.
salmonella.
Perfect.
So we're going to cook it for 4 minutes on each side. So I'm going to do about 2 minutes, and then I'll rotate it, try and get that char. 2 minutes, flip it, and so on.
There you go.
Yeah.
While Adam cooks the tofu, we also wanted to let you know something super awesome about Sir Kensington's. They just released a whole brand new line of ranch products. So you have the classic ranch, but even more exciting is buffalo ranch and pizza ranch.
Now I'm going to carefully turn the tofu. Go from here, turn over here. Beautiful.
Gotta get those nice grill marks. You're avoiding that broken one, aren't you?
Yep. Here we go.
Oh boy. Dun dun dun.
Give it a little lift.
You got it. You got it. Don't burn yourself. Oh wow.
Hey, we keep it together, man.
Pretty good.
Here we go. See what we got.
Moment of truth.
Boom.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful.
Oh boy, this is the last one. Nice.
Once tofu's done, you can turn the grill off.
So if you would like some Sir Kensingtons delivered straight to your door, make sure to click the link in the description box below.
Easy as that, guys.
Special thanks to our friends at Sir Kensingtons for partnering with us on this video. Have a great week.
Bye, guys. Namaste.